Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sweet Melissa. We will start by learning the essential open chords. The main chords you will need are G major, C major, and D major. Practice transitioning smoothly between these three chords. A consistent, clear strumming pattern is crucial for establishing the song's foundational rhythm. Dedicate about 10 minutes daily to these basic chord changes. Next, let's tackle the iconic main riff that opens the song. This riff uses a specific fingerpicking pattern, often involving the G, C, and D chords. Focus on the subtle hammer-ons and pull-offs that give it its distinctive sound. Start practicing this section at a very slow tempo, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, gradually increasing your speed as your accuracy improves. Precision is key here. Now, let's talk about strumming and adding dynamics to your playing. For the verses, develop a consistent down-up strumming pattern. To make the song more engaging, vary your strumming intensity. Play softer during the verses and stronger in the choruses. Pay close attention to the original recording to pick up on subtle dynamic shifts. This will bring your performance to life. Finally, it's time to put all the pieces together. Practice transitioning smoothly between the main riff, the chord progressions, and your strumming patterns. Using a metronome is highly recommended to ensure you maintain a steady tempo throughout the entire song. Remember, the goal is to enjoy playing this beautiful, timeless acoustic rock ballad. Keep practicing and have fun with it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.